Hi all, welcome back to another one of my videos. So here I've got a new Gucci belt bag. So I'm going to do an unboxing and a review and a try on and a comparison to my other belt bag, which is the Gucci Jumbo GG belt bag, which I have done a couple of videos on. So after I told myself I'm not going to buy any more designer belt bags for a while, I impulsively bought another belt bag. So this one is the Gucci Kids belt bag in leather. It's £370. It was previously out of stock, so I saw it in stock and I thought, okay, it's £370 for a Gucci bag. It is a Gucci Kids bag, but it looks very similar to the Gucci adult, mainly the men's ones, but the Gucci adult jumbo leather belt bag. But it's a fraction of the price, or half the price. So I've wanted a smaller version of the Gucci belt bag for quite a while. And it doesn't have to be Gucci, but I looked at Louis Vuitton and they're just extremely expensive. There's a really cute fleece belt bum bag at the moment, but that's really expensive. Dior ones are just really small and I feel like they're very much like a belt rather than like a bum bag. So I haven't found any with Dior. And then I looked at Gucci and then I saw this, so I thought, okay, let me just get it. If I don't like it, I can always return it. So here it is. So let's open it together. So it's got the tag there, right? So this is the Gucci Kids belt bag in green leather and it has a UFO design. So they have a couple of options for the Gucci Kids belt bags. I thought this was the most adult looking and it has the traditional Gucci strap here. So I thought there's no harm in me getting it to try it out and just see what it's like. I've never actually seen it in store. So also I thought that the GG is quite quite similar to the jumbo GG design. There is actually a really cute Peter Rabbit Gucci belt bag at the moment for kids, and it has the traditional Gucci design with the Peter Rabbit icons, and I think it's really cute. And I think it's perfect for kids, but I just thought if I wore it as an adult, maybe I would be like the only adult wearing it. I don't know. Let me know what you think, because I could always return this and get that. But let's have a look. So it's nice. I like the leather. It feels really strong. My first thoughts are that it's actually a lot smaller than I expected it to be, especially compared to the Gucci Jumbo belt bag, but it's really sturdy. So there's no back zip here, which the Jumbo GG belt bag doesn't have anyway. There's a zip, so it has a nice little leather add-on there, which is nice. So it opens. So let's see. Right, inside. Okay, so inside it is very basic. It's not as roomy as I thought it would be, but it would definitely fit my phone, and you can actually fit quite a lot in here. I would say it's almost similar to the Lululemon belt bag in terms of the size. There are no inner pockets, but it is really sturdy. So also the strap is stretchy, which is really good if you're petite or you have struggled getting a belt bag to fit. It's easy to adjust, a lot easier than the Jumbo GG belt bag, and this is plastic again, and it's nice because so the difference is it doesn't have the metal clip here, so it won't really get, well, it could get scratched, but it won't be as noticeable. So I'm going to loosen it and pop it on, and then I will compare with the Gucci Jumbo belt bag. Really stretchy. Let's loosen it a bit more. So it's easy because you can actually loosen it while you're wearing it. So actually the loosest point is it's then really loose. It's actually really easy. I think it is a bit more evident, so it is cheaper, and it is evident that it is cheaper compared to the Gucci Jumbo belt bag. It is smaller, but it's cute. If you're after a cheap and practical belt bag that's smaller, then this is a really good option. Loosen it again to the loosest point and wear it across the body and see what that looks like. So I am wearing a dress. It's probably better. This is quite a nice summer bag, actually. So this is, yeah, because it's stretchy, it kind of flings up, if you see what I mean. So it may not be as suitable to wear across the body because you can't really loosen it to wear it low, if that makes sense. You could wear it to the back, but then it kind of goes across your neck, whereas with other ones you can loosen and wear, you know, across your actual body. Didn't realize it was actually stretchy, so that is playing an impact as to whether I will keep it. And you can wear it across your, you know, over your shoulder, but again, because it's stretchy and it's thinner, it is a bit awkward. So I'm going to tighten it, and now I'm going to show you the comparison with the jumbo belt bag. So here is my loved jumbo belt bag, which I'm going to wear when I pop out. This is the Gucci kids belt bag, but it's in leather. So you can see there is a huge difference in the sizing. The zip, there is a difference. So this is gold, this is silver. The zip, so this has the, on the zipper, it has Gucci on there, whereas this just has leather trimming. But they both don't have any pockets at the back. And inside, it's very much similar too. So inside, you've got, sorry, I do have stuff in here. So you've got the material with the Gucci leather trim there. Whereas this is more, so this is wipeable actually. So I guess it is practical for kids, because if they drop stuff in or have anything that's dirty, you can actually wipe it. So for that, I think this is actually fantastic value for a Gucci bum bag or a Gucci belt bag. So the design, you've got the Jumbo GG design on the canvas material, whereas this has, it also has the GG design there with UFO designs. The strap, let's zip this back up so my contents don't fall out. Right, the strap is very thick. It's you know, it's really nice. It's not stretchy. This is a completely different material. It's stretchy, right? And also it's, so in terms of thickness, yes, this is, the strap is thinner and the colouring is slightly darker as well. So you can see that it is a thinner strap. The buckle, this is lovely and gold, but plastic. This is plastic, but it does have the Gucci sign there. So yes, this is, you can tell this is cheaper than this. And there's no other leather trimming, whereas this has the leather trimming around the zip and around the buckle, and that holds the strap in there with this there. Whereas this, there is no leather trimming at all, and there is also, it's important to note, nothing to hold the strap. So if you do have it tight, it will be hanging off. However, I would assume that children, or if you're really petite, you'd have it tight, because like I said, I had it quite loose and it still fit around. So that is the difference. So this would go like this, and this would go like this. I do really like it. I think it's really cute. I don't know whether to keep it or not. I may return it and try the Peter Rabbit style. I don't know if the UFO design is doing it for me, although you can't really tell. Oh, actually, I've just seen there is some leather trimming there. I'm sure it would fit my phone. I've got my Louis Vuitton coin holder, 2 lipsticks. Yeah, and my phone would fit, and there is still plenty of room inside. So it would fit my keys, it would fit my phone. You know, I could fit another lipstick in. It does actually fit quite a lot, and it's very sturdy. So the benefit is it's sturdy, so it won't lose shape. Whereas the Gucci jumbo bag, it's very flexible, so it can get a bit bulky. So let me know what you think. Should I return it? Should I keep it? I'll probably think about it for a day or so, or a week, see, and then take it from there. But it's actually, if you're looking for a cheaper alternative to a cheaper Gucci belt bag, this is the bag to get. It's really cute. It doesn't, so on, you know, you can't really tell that it's a Gucci kids bag unless you know that the Gucci kids bags are minis. So yeah, that's my first thoughts. If you've got any questions, please drop them in the comments. I'm happy to answer any questions. Or if you want me to do any more videos about this, then please let me know. Thank you so much for watching.